Hello everyone, my name is Anya. I'm 6 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make this birdhouse. So we just need these color papers, scissors, this tape to put something or make a circle. We need some glue stick, googly eyes, and a string. Or you can use another color paper, or you can use any color paper. Also white paper. We take a paper. We have to fold it like this, and also we need glue. We fold it here to the stems, and we also fold it on the bottom. Now we have to cut the line first. Where's my scissors that I get? Here's my scissors. Oh, sorry. Here's it. And let me see. Cut from the lines you got from. Follow the lines only. Don't make any mistakes. It's just okay. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Let's sing a song, everyone. Just kidding. Let's sing one. La la la. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Almost there. 1, 2. I got it. Take out this waste paper to this side. So now you have to cut. You just not cut this. We need to use glue to stick it. So this house will make good. Just now you just stick it. Now it's going to stick. So same to the next one. Oh, this is too sticky. Use your parent. And done. Now we just have to cut this off everywhere. And then now we got another piece of string. Then we put it here. Get some glue. Then stick it like this. And then the other side to the paper. You get your paper. Don't worry about a lot of glue, sorry. And here's it. Here's the house. Now I'm making bird. We cut the lines very short, like this. Now you fold it. We fold like this, then do the wing. Cut like this to the lines. And these are the wings for the birds. Cut the lines very short, but not too short, only a little bit big because it will make it more shorter. So let's do it. Now we do the bird knock with any color paper, and then we just string this first. Then we cut his leg, and then we get this googly eye to put it. Use glue. Not too sticky. Here's the bird. Next, get the glue and another googly eye. Oh yeah. Good. Too sticky. Use it. Here's the yellow one. Here's the next googly eye I have. Now we get this tape to put it on the string. On the back side of the house. On the roof. One this side, one that side. Here's the bird. Now we get this house, then put it all on the birds here. We put one here, and one here. Do it any side you like. Use glue to stick it. Now we get this another one. Stick it again. Now we get this blue one here. Put it on the upside of the roof. We get this flower to see the birds how they play. Get this paper to cover it. Get some glue to stick it on. Here's the glue. Now we put it on this bird. My bird house is ready. And you can just hang it everywhere in your house that you find your door, anywhere you like, because we got a string on it. You can find a big place for your big stuff to put this hang. Please like and share and subscribe, and for more videos. Bye.